Many people believe a heat pump can't handle Massachusetts winters, but that's simply not true. At SumZero Energy Systems, the #1 heat pump installers in Massachusetts, we custom design, retrofit, install, and maintain heat pump systems built to thrive in the toughest conditions, reliably heating your home even when the temperature drops to -22 degrees. Most families in Massachusetts are still relying on the same outdated heating systems their parents used. Oil, gas, or propane systems that are noisy, expensive to run, and often leave parts of the home uncomfortable. And when spring and fall roll around, boilers waste energy just trying to keep up with the changing temperatures. On top of that, a single filter in a traditional system makes it nearly impossible to keep dust and allergens out of your home's air. A tailor-fit and correctly sized heat pump system designed by SumZero changes all of that. These systems give you reliable, all-electric heating in the winter and efficient cooling in the summer, with ultra-quiet operation and advanced filtration that cleans the air in every room. That means a healthier home, lower monthly bills, and consistent comfort year-round. Modern heat pumps are engineered to perform in sub-zero temperatures, extracting heat even on the coldest days of the year. With both ducted and ductless options, we can design a system that fits seamlessly into your home, whether you're replacing a furnace, upgrading central air, or looking for a full home solution. At SumZero, we're more than just installers. We're the heat pump experts of Massachusetts. As a Mass Save certified installer and a recognized leader in the program, we make sure you get the maximum rebates and 0% financing options available. From the first consultation to the final installation, our team takes care of every detail so you can enjoy peace of mind and long-term savings. It's time to stop relying on yesterday's technology and start enjoying the comfort, health, and savings of a cold climate heat pump. Trust the #1 heat pump installation company in Massachusetts, SumZero Energy Systems. Contact us today and let's design the system that's right for your home.